4-73 says the perimeter of each algebra tile can also be written as an expression using variables and numbers. So we need to write at least 2 different expressions for the perimeter for each tile shown below. And we've kind of already done most of this on the first page in the first problem. So again, what I'm saying is right here, we pretty much did a lot of that work right here. Because remember, if I walk the perimeter of my property, I'm walking the very outside edge of it. So we pretty much have that done, but we're going to go ahead and do that right here. So I have this side right here, which is x, and this side right here, which is also x. This side right here is x, and this side right here is also x, for my x squared. We have x, 1, x, 1. We have 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay. So the next step, after we label it, we're going to write 2 different expressions for the perimeter. So we're going to write 2 different expressions for the perimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the x squared. In class, I did this one, and then I had students do the other 2. But we're going to go ahead and roll with it. So my perimeter right here, I have x plus x plus x plus x. Or if I add x plus x plus x plus x, I get 4x. For this guy right here, let's have it maybe a little bigger for you. I'm going to do the same thing. We have x plus 1 plus x plus 1. So I see that I have 2 x's, right? So I have 2x plus 2 1's. Sometimes when we do this, I'll also have it where it looks like that, because we have 2 groups of 1. For this guy right here, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And then we end up with 4 units, or we could say that's 4 groups of 1. So for Bravo asks, which way of writing the perimeter seems clearest to you? What information can you get from each expression? So this one here is kind of it's a value judgment. And that's what I try to tell students. This one here, the method that seems clearest to you, you're going to say which one it is. And it means, does this seem clearer to you or this? This long one or the shorter one? The long one right here or this guy right here where we're multiplying? And there really isn't a right or wrong answer to this other than not saying which one seems the clearest to you. I could make an argument for both. So some students will pick the longer ones because they would rather add than multiply. I would say with this one here, I can see exactly what kind of a shape I have. With this, right, with these, where it's like this, I can see the shape. Whereas this, maybe not so much when it's more condensed in that way. So you need to write down which one seems the clearest to you and why. Some students like these ones because they're shorter. But again, the idea is which one's clearest to you. And if you do write that it's easiest, you need to explain why is that the easiest. Make sure you're writing this one. I can't answer it for you.